Hey guys, welcome to Pubg Gaming. In this video I am going to review the Pubg mobile trigger. Now this is a thing that you can use on your mobile and remap them for using it as a trigger. Now you can use it for aim or shoot or anything you want. Now most people use it for aim and shooting. So in this video I am going to review them and let's just get started. Now I don't know why do they exist, but they do exist and people seem to like them. So that's there. Now they come in a box like this, and in the box you get the triggers only, and they're organized pretty well. And the triggers are totally made out of plastic, nothing fancy here and there. And there's a fiber type of thing in the top. And yes, these things are made out of plastic, so you don't have to worry about your screen getting any kind of scratch or any kind of damage. Now the way that this guy works is that you have to press your thumb or your finger on the top, and there's a contact pad that hits like your finger on the screen, and that is pretty much the way that this thing works. Now to use them you have to snap them on your phone like this. And after placing them on the right position, you have to turn this plastic thing over and you're pretty much good to go. Now to make them work, you have to go to settings and then controls and then customize controls. And then you have to customize the controls from there. Now I am going to use the aim for right trigger and the shoot for left trigger. Now you might need to do a few adjustments here and there, but try to get it as precise as possible. That's there, so let's just get right into a match. Now here you can see I am playing the game with the triggers on the phone, and the first match didn't go much well. Like here you can see I got a pen only, and I actually was able to kill that guy with a pen, and then I died to a shotgun. Now let's go to the second match, and here you can see I landed at the last because I went AFK for a second, and just enjoy. Okay, let's come to the conclusion whether you should buy it or not. First of all, it feels weird to have a physical button on a touch screen, and then it covers up a lot of area in your display. So if you have a small screen display, then you might have some issues dealing with it. And if you guys are thinking it will make your device look like or feel like some sort of console or anything like that, then I think you are kind of wrong, because they don't actually make so much difference. Now coming on to the gaming section, it feels okay. I mean, it totally depends on you whether you can play well or not. So if you think this is a thing that you need, then you can buy it, or I think I would rather stick with the touchscreen controls. So guys, this is it for today, and I'll catch you up in the next video.